Hey everyone, TRG here. I just wanted to explain a little bit about this week. I know, I'm sure you guys have noticed I didn't post too many videos this week. Had a bit of a family crisis going on. A few weeks ago, my father was diagnosed with lung cancer, and so this past week I took him to get his PET scan. I had to take him out of town for that. And the next day we were back in town, and he was going for his biopsy. And after the biopsy, he ended up having a stroke. So I'm kind of in a little bit of a turmoil right now. I've even been neglecting the plants, so I gotta try and get back on that. But I got bigger, more important things to take care of right now. So I will have videos again soon. I'm working on some. So, but I just wanted to let you guys know what's going on, and just tell you what I'm going through, and that's about it. That's all I have to say right now. Thank you for everybody's support, and I'll see you guys soon.